What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here, working around our townhouse in Woodstock, Georgia. And if you have an ant problem, especially when the season changes, a lot of the ants like to come inside once it goes from cold to warm or warm to cold. One of the greatest things we like to use is called these liquid ant baits. And if you look inside there, notice how many are already in there. I just put this out a couple of hours ago, and they are devouring this poison, and they'll take it out to their nest and kill everyone else in there. It works very quickly. I'll put a link down below where you can get it online. This guy right here, all you do is just cut open the front bottom part of it, and they can crawl right in there, and they gobble up the poison and take it back to their nest. You can also get the granule shaker, and you basically just sprinkle it around the perimeter of your house or wherever you have an ant problem, and they will take care of it. Works great. I've been using it for many years. But yeah, there's your proof right there. Inside. They're going to town on it. So yeah, highly recommend it. Works great. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Shoot us a donation. And here's a look at our lovely townhome in Woodstock, Georgia. Great neighborhood to live in on the north side of Atlanta. And we also have tons of videos on our channel working around the house and working on your car, your dirt bike, your ATV, motorcycle, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, check out our channel. And like I said, if any YouTube video helps you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the screen and send a donation, no matter if it's our channel or any other. That's it. You'll have a great day.